So I am the average Godot enjoyer, and I got a question on one of my videos that I made, and that was, how do I export this? And that was in reference to a Godot Python quick guide, and that is Man's Godot Python, which you can get off GitHub, and I show how to install it in this video. And I'm going to show a little bit more on how to export your project. So there was some documentation on this, which I didn't really find all that helpful. I kind of followed their steps, and then if you go back to Godot Python here and you scroll all the way down, there is an FAQ somewhere. How can I export my project? This helped more than anything. I basically just use this, but I'll show you a process that works just as well for me. So what I have is this project. It's just a little button here, and then I got a tkinter interface that'll pop up, and we'll see some pictures. So I'll go ahead and run it in Godot. This is what we got. We got Chris Chan here. We can press that, and we get our picture of Sonichu. So as wonderful as that is, we want to export it. So also that this file is auto-loading. The new script.py, the one that's handling tkinter, that's being auto-loaded, and we're just playing this Node2D scene right here. Sorry, it's late. And so what we're going to do is open in File Manager on our res, on our base of our project, and we're going to grab it. I call it Mobility Mary Escaping Spider Island. We're just going to copy the contents of that folder. We're going to go to my desktop and say New Folder. We're just going to open this on up and give a little paste-a-rooney. So this isn't ideal, but it does work. And now that we have this, what we need to do is put a Godot distribution in there. So we'll go to Godot. This is where I have my Godot application. So we're just going to click on it, copy it, and then we need to go to, where's new folder? New folder, there we go. And then we go back to the one where we just put everything into. We paste it on in there, and then if we run this, it'll actually start up. If we run that, it'll start up our application. So we can cycle through and see all the wonderful pictures I've amassed for you guys. We got Sonichu, we got Ethan Ralph, and we got the Kino Casino. We got the whole crew, and of course the saddest day ever when Chris Chan was arrested. But yeah, other than that, so that works, and you can rename this and be like my stupid app. Put that on there, and then we will. What do I want to do? Create a shortcut. Where the fuck is create shortcut? There we go. Create a shortcut. So we take this, we put it up here on our desktop. So I think we can even change that icon pretty easily. We go here, and we can see we can play our thing again. We have all our wonderful pictures. So Happy New Year, everyone, and I'll be coming out with more videos. If that helped you out, it's getting me one step closer to actually getting everything the way I want, which is just one export, and then it gives you obviously a little icon. But yeah, I hope that helps someone. Have a good one.